How to merge PDF files into one on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Now, navigate to the location where your PDF files are stored. Then, open the folder that contains the PDFs you want to merge. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots icon. From the menu, tap on Select. You can now choose the files to combine. After selecting your files, tap the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner to open the Action menu. From the menu, tap on Quick Actions and then select the Create PDF option from the submenu. A new PDF file will be instantly created in the same folder, containing the merged content of your selected documents. Scroll through to verify that all pages from your original files are merged. Following these steps, you can easily merge PDF files into one on an iPhone.